How to keep your playlists private on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to keep your playlists private on YouTube app, easy and fast, just from your phone. So first thing, go to YouTube. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and now go to your channel from here, and this is my channel. Now go to this pencil right here, click on it, and now it will take you to this page, and you will find this option of keep all my saved playlists private. Turn it on like this, and now your playlists sit private, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you.